The following contest is an open challenge and is for the NXT Women's North American Championship.
Who's gonna be Zaria's mystery opponent? We're about to find out live on NXT.
Here comes the one and only Zaria, a road-tested warrior who enjoys the thrill of combat. One of the most exciting prospects the women's division has ever seen. There's nobody quite like Zaria. A standout in her native Australia, Zaria won many of the same titles once held by Rhea Ripley. Time will tell if she can match Rhea's accolades, but Zaria is definitely happy to beat some people up before then.
This is your Women's North American Champion. This is Zaria. You're watching NXT live on the CW at the right bottom of your screen. Comment, like, and subscribe.
The champion facing perhaps her biggest challenge yet.
Zaria is issuing a challenge to any woman in the back locker room.
She's just issued an open challenge to the entire locker room.
She has asked for any competitor to challenge for that title. Who?
One of the best women's strikers in WWE, Nikkita Lyons.
Here comes the Women's Evolved Champion. This is Nikkita Lyons.
And introducing the challenger from Los Angeles, California, the WWE Extreme Women's Champion, Nikkita Lyons.
Can't wait to see some savage martial arts inspired kicks. Nikkita just has an amazing blend of raw power and precision technique.
The writing is on the wall. The leader of the calling.
The very aggressive Izzi Dame.
This is the former Women's North American Champion, Izzi Dame.
And introducing the challenger, representing the calling from Buchanan, Michigan, Izzi Dame.
Perhaps the most dangerous member of the Culling, Izzi Dame, is as shrewd as they come.
Determined for truth to prevail and bringing it to light through pain.
Time and again, Izzi has made it clear that she is not to be underestimated.
She's also proven she's not to be trusted. A determined look in her eyes. Dame is a woman possessed.
It is what it is. Oh, man. It's time to get heavy metal with it. Let's make it rain. This is Lizzy Rain.
Here we go, gentlemen. Huge title match coming up.
Rock on, man.
For the champ to prove to everyone that there truly is none better in all of WWE right now.
She truly believes that tonight will be her coronation. Hopefully, she's not putting the cart before the horse or the title before the actual ring.
This promises to be a highly competitive match with the much sought-after NXT Women's North American Championship on the line.
Since its debut in a chaotic ladder match, this title has become a symbol of who is up next in the NXT Women's division. It can be a prestigious first step in a career, a totem that you are ready to take yourself to the next level.
And Zaria gets countered there. Oh, clothesline. You know, a disqualification match can get very savage very quickly. A lot to be concerned about for these competitors.
No DQ means no break, no mercy. You've got to worry about your resilience in this one. Only take the shots you're forced to. And you wonder how that leg is going to be feeling for the rest of the night.
Both athletes showing incredible reflexes here.
Quick exchange of counters there.
And a series of vicious knee strikes to the body.
This is what it takes to force a title change. This is the entire top.
Through the air. It connects. Putting it all on the line and coming up big with a breathtaking move. Up and down. What a slam. Getting dangerously close to our announce table. Zaria showing no fear, no intimidation. Oh! She's headed out of the ring. Looking for a little more breathing room. Oh! With authority! Our champ is looking slightly rattled now. Back into the ring she comes. Oh, what an intense striking combination. And Nikkita just taunting her opponent now.
What's she got for Zaria here?
Side slam. Looking for something, anything under the ring.
Oh, she's got that kendo stick. Better take cover. Oh, whipped directly into the steps.
Drop arm breaker. Oh, and a chair shot delivered. Back into the ring here. Using the chair with no caution at all. Lightning fast strikes, incredible speed. Samoan drop. With that kendo stick. Counter. Saw it coming. She evades the attack. Spear! Oh, my gosh. Going head on into the stairs.
Oh, sent straight into those steel steps. malice behind that were just on another level.
Ooh, did you hear that thud from the back connecting with flesh and bone? Lethal kick.
Lyons is locked in on her opponent now. Crashing into the barricade with such force.
Boom! Did you hear the impact?
Going for the pin, title on the line.
She gets a quick kick out there. She's not going quietly into the good night here, making things very interesting. Turns it around, sole of the foot meets the stomach. Oh, incredible sit-up mat slam. The challenger really struggling to avoid major damage.
We expect this in a fatal four-way that hits at it fast with multiple opponents.
Carried in a jeopardizing position here.
Dame leaves it open.
And Lyons with a split-legged leg drop.
Pivotal moment. We could have a new champ.
But now we see Zaria.
You've got to be impressed by the fight these superstars are showing right now.
This is really anyone's game right now. And that realization is only fueling them more.
Boom!
Oh, as he stopped that in its tracks. Zaria lifts her opponents on the shoulder. F5. Devastating maneuver by the champion. Then we have Lyons. Strong kick to the body. Down goes their opponent. And this is the sort of ruthlessness it takes. Look at this. Bang! Boom! And down with the suplex. That might have put it away. Two! Barely kicks out.
Running on fumes in there. The gas is running out.
She's rummaging around under the ring here. Grabbing a kendo stick. Any connection with flesh will definitely leave a welt. Kendo stick impact.
Evades the attack and not a moment too soon. Lyons is locked in on her opponent now. Trying to bust up that arm, man.
She goes under the ropes, back inside.
Face first into the ring post. Thumped with a big blow.
She reverses and creates an opportunity.
Leaning against the turnbuckle now.
It's absolute pandemonium in here. And it's all because of the willpower these superstars are showing.
Going for the cover. This is for all the marbles.
No, she kicks out.
What a kick out. This match has been absolutely incredible.
Good God, what force. The hammer dropped. Literally. Something might be broken. Tossed around like a rag doll. Found an opening and turned it into a bulldog. And Zaria gets countered there. Gotta hurt. Manages to reverse it. Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches. F5! Thunderous! Cover to be crowned champion. Kicks out before the 2 count.
This is exactly the kind of heart we expect from the champ.
Rake right across the back.
Finds room for a back elbow.
Face first with a waistlock takedown.
It feels safe to say we are watching one of the greatest matches we've seen in quite some time.
And the WWE Universe continues to remain on their feet. They know they're witnessing something truly special here. She's looking to go top rope here.
From above!
Perched on the top rope. Crash landing.
Clubbing blow.
Big clothesline. Oh, what a clubbing blow. And Lyons, here we go again. Nikkita Lyons, split leg drop. That might have just sealed the deal on us having a new champ. And Zaria reverses it. Fireman's carry. Nice takedown. And turn it into a flapjack. Looks like she's heading back into the ring.
Shoulders down for the title.
Stop the pin, preventing this match from ending.
And Zaria powers her opponent off.
There's that five. The champ might have just ended things right there.
These competitors might...
Shoulders down to retain. Title match stays alive.
Oh, man, this has to be getting close to the end.
Clothesline, avoided contact and brought a big attack of their own. Win at any cost.
Zaria looked like a deer in the headlights here.
The target's been acquired once more. Could that be enough to gain the title? Stopping the ref there.
She's not letting it go down like that.
Clothesline. She's trying. Uh-oh. She turns it around with the reversal. This can't bode well. Last shot on the mark. We might see a new champion crowned. Oh, jarring back elbow. Bicycle knee strike.
Dog. Big pin. All the barbers.
Breaking up the pin count there. What an interception. Spectacular counter into a dragon screw.
Now it all...
Rapid-fire knife-edge chops. And a jab for the exclamation. The challenger might have what it takes to win this.
In the corner now. She needs to fight out of it.
Oh, look at that scope slam. Now the pin for the championship. Pin broken up. She saw to that.
Boom. Dane just got out of it. Right in the gut, man.
Roundhouse takes them down. Ah, to the gut. I'll take the wind right out of you.
Caught flat with the roundhouse.
Lyons is wasting no motion. Nikkita cashing in on her opportunities.
Man, that is going to lead Candace here. This could be it.
Stopping the pin.
Timely intervention.
God, ugly but effective counter. Foot to the face. Whoa, just tossed that sledgehammer like it was nothing. Bang, crucial counter there.
Drop those ready.
Code breaker from the middle rope.
And now she's going back to the top. She is possessed right now.
Perched on the top rope. Taking advantage of the opportunity. 2 count. Stopping the ref's count at 2.
She mustered everything she had to kick out there. And she is busted open now. She may need medical attention, and soon.
That gets reversed on Nikkita.
Ooh.
Bam! Here we go for the championship. And she just stopped the pin. This is a flat-out vicious attack. Blows to the back of the neck and then just brutalizing their opponent.
Dane wants to end this right now.
Trying to go for it again. Sky high! Way up there.
This may be the challenger's moment. Absolutely millimeters away from a 3 count. You don't get many kickouts after that move.
And that result leaves everyone shocked. But will the shoulder come up if that move hits one more time? A back suplex.
Settled in the corner now. Utterly devastating. And she's seeing red right now in more ways than one.
Backbreaker. Knee smashes right to the spine. Driven down.
DDT. She's able to steer clear of that attack.
Kick. Spinning heel kick. German suplex. But that's not all. Into a ripcord lariat. What a combination. Into lariat. Oh, that'll leave him. She's trying one more time. Sky high. Way up there.
Can we have a new champ after that?
Oh, what a kick. Lyons counters. Not a good spot to be in. A flat-out power into the scoop slam. Zaria hoists up the opposition. Here we go. F5. The champ might have just sealed things. Just like that. She turned it around. Turning the tables. Hooked up. And now heading back inside the ring.
Backing her into that corner now.
Totally helpless at the moment. Hurled away. Down to one knee. Off of the other. One enziguri.
Champions cover
For the title. Stopping that pin attempt.
and this match carries on.
Shoved right off. Elbow right to the nose.
Quick thinking, get her out of that one.
Boom, what a forearm. Suplex. Champ's down. This one's for everything.
Double knees direct to the face.
She's headed to the outside. No threat of count out here.
Swinging side effect.
Izzy curling the champ with the cover. But now we see Zaria. And she breaks up the pin. Springboard cutter.
Driven down face first.
Big clothesline.
Cover to retain the championship.
Kick out. She still has life.
And this is how...
Oh, Miss Wiley, this could pick up the win here. By the throat, hoisting their opponent up. Choke slam.
Lion staggers up, trying to regain composure.
Got a kendo stick wrapped around the head.
Getting out of harm's way.
Back and forth trading reversals.
Finds the advantage after a string of counters.
Right to the kidneys from behind. The target's been acquired once more. Last shot on the mark.
Are we going to see it? Are we going to see a new champion tonight?
Now here's Lyons. German suplex.
Lyons formulating a move.
Fisherman suplex.
it down hard. Oh, wow.
Uh-oh. Batten down the hatches. Finds a counter for Dame. She's trying one more time. Sky high. Way up there.
Zaria hoisting her opponent up. F5 connects. Was that enough? Did the champ put this one away?
Heading to ringside now. Sliding in under the rope. She's back in the ring.
Whoa.
Cover for the championship.
She gets out of there.
Chest match of shoulders down. Championship on the line. That'll break up the pin.
Taking control of the situation right there, man.
Fights out of it with the elbow to the gut.
Lyons counters. Just a violent suplex. Oh, and a knee. And another. Precision strikes. Countered into the quick toss. Cover. We're going to shut this down. Retains the title. A lot of good action in that one. Here's another look.
Here is your winner, and still the NXT Women's North American Champion, Zaria!
She came in the champ. She's leaving the champ.
Well, she just proved you come for the champ, you best not miss.